Hey guys, it's Lori Landsberg, and I am going to show you guys how you can pack your carry-on suitcase and get wrinkle-free clothes, but with the contents of a carry-on. No, a checked bag. I travel so much, and I swear you got to find hacks like this to learn how to pack efficiently so that your clothes aren't completely wrinkled when you get to your destination, and also just so that you can fit everything in, because there is actually something to packing properly. So let me show you guys these crazy hacks. So I have 4 that I'm going to show you. Hopefully you'll be able to see. So if you guys pack blazers, and you'll have to excuse that it's wrinkled because it just is. I haven't worn it since last season. So if you are going on a business trip and you need to pack and you need it to be nice and wrinkle free when you get there, this is a really great hack. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn this upside down like this. This one is super cool, okay? So can you see it? I'll come back. So it's upside down like this. And I'm going to take, just like that, I'm going to take this and I'm going to fold it this way. And then watch what I'm going to do. I'm going to take the shoulder and push it through. And I'm going to pull this side over. So I've squared it off. See that? Now this will come out wrinkle free. Hopefully I don't lose you guys, okay? And then I'm gonna take the same side over here and do this. And I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna push that shoulder through, flip it, and then I'm gonna pull this side through. And you see how it's a square? Okay, so what do I do next? Hang on a minute. I had it and I forgot it. Just give me a second. It's so cool. Especially if you do a lot of business trips. Here we go, hang on. I'm learning with you guys. I'm finding you all kinds of cool tricks. Okay, oh, this is the really cool part. Okay, so then you're gonna take this side and flip it up, and you're gonna push this side over in there. It's like you kind of tuck it up in there. Okay, see? And everything is staying nice. You do this every time. Everything's staying nice and flat. And then once you do that, you just fold it like this. Okay, look at that. Okay, see that? Look how nice that is. And so the outside is on the inside and it's nice and flat. Look how cool and look how neat it is too. So you can you imagine how many you can actually fit in your suitcase if you fold them like that? Because the bulky part is really on the inside. So you've got the outside that's nice and flat. So there's for your blazers if you're a traveler. Okay, this one I think is so cool. How many pairs of jeans can you fit in a carry-on? Okay, so I'm going to take these jeans like this. I mean, you think, look, okay, first of all, look at this. So you could do your jeans like this, or you could do them like this, lay them in the bag, but I'm going to show you a really cool way. So I'm going to take this like this, okay? And also neat. I like neat packing. I like to get to my destination and my stuff still be neat, which is why I use my packing cubes. But watch this. I'm going to fold it up like this. I think it's like this. Right? Okay? And then, this is the really cool part. Which way? Did I do 1 or 2? Hang on. Here it is. Oh, I did it wrong. Stop. Hold on. I did it wrong. Okay, here we go. You ready? So let me show you. So we're going to take it like this. We're going to fold 1 up. Can y'all see that? Yes, watch. We're going to fold 1 up. And what this becomes is what's really cool. So then you're going to fold it just like this all the way down. I think this is like Boy Scout, Girl Scout packing. But you're going to take this and you're going to fold it over. Look at this. Isn't that neat? Look. Can you imagine how many you can fit in your suitcase? You just toss them in, and even if it come unfolded, nothing's gonna happen. Those are jeans, isn't that neat? Okay, ready? Here's another one. Sweaters. This is a really good one too, okay? So we all want wrinkle-free sweaters. So I'm gonna lay that flat, and the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the bottom, and I'm gonna fold the bottom up like this, okay? And then I'm gonna take this side, and I'm going to crisscross it, and I'm going to take this side, and I'm going to crisscross it. And then I think I'm going to do this. And then I think I'm going to do this. Wait a minute. crap. Oh, it's such a good one. Hang on with me. Hang on. Here it is. I got you. Hang on. Okay. So you fold it over. Oh, yeah, I did. That's not right. So that's not right. So yeah. So you want to do like this. Then you want to fold here and here. Okay? Then you want to fold here and here. Okay, I messed up. Hang tight. And then you're going to fold here. Okay, now you're going to do this and this, but this is what I like. Let me show you what I like. So when you get to this part, you're going to take the bottom and fold it over. That is the coolest thing. Look. Ah! Isn't that neat? This is so good. This is really good. Imagine how many you can fit in your suitcase, and look how nice and neat it is. I know, right? I'm loving all the hearts, y'all. Okay, so there's 3 things, and then I have one more, and this is a shirt, and this is something, well, actually I have several more, but I'm not going to show you one more because I'm tired and I want to go to bed. Okay, so you take this. I got to go back. This is really cool if you need to fit this in your drawer so you can catch it. So I'm just got the shirt. I'm going to lay it flat. Okay? So you're going to fold this side in and fold the little sleeve. You're going to fold this side in and fold the little sleeve. And then you're going to go like this and like this and then like this. And it might seem super simple, but everything is nice and flat. But if you did this, like if you put your shirts in a drawer, then it's like a triangle and it will all fit in your drawer. And you can like have a bunch of these together, but it's nice and flat so you can fit a bunch of these in your carry-on. See how many you could fit? So it's like you could get the contents of a checked bag in your carry-on, all based on how you fold. Hey, I've got other tips, other folding hacks, okay? I can show you how to fold a fitted sheet. I can tell you how to fold a hoodie or a comforter or a pillowcase and blankets and all kinds of things. So if you guys are interested in knowing about that, shoot me a message and I'll send that information over to you. Thanks for joining, you guys. Bye.